One of the biggest questions that I hear over and over again is, what do you use to host your course, your membership? What software, what program? There are so many choices. You can use WordPress with the plugin. You can use Kajabi. You can use Teachable, Thinkific. There are so many options out there. But the question is, which one is best for you? I'm going to give you an insider's view of my personal favorite for people to start with, and that is Kajabi. Now, I'll show you what I love about it and what I don't love about it, and if there's a workaround, how to make it work for you and for your business. So come on, join me inside, and I will show you the inside backend scoop of Kajabi. Okay, so I am pulling up one of my unused Kajabi sites, so we can go in here and it's got a little bit of stuff in there. I can show you the back end of what you will get inside of your Kajabi site. Now, when you log in, Kajabi is great about giving you metrics and data and analytics and everything that they have. So here's your dashboard view that shows you how many people have opted in, how many sales you've had, comment, everything is just right here for you. I love the fact that Kajabi is so good about making it easy to understand the numbers in your business. Now, if you're not familiar with Kajabi, let me go over here and I will show you. Kajabi is an all-in-one tool that has everything that you need for your courses, et cetera, et cetera. Like it's amazing. So you can see here, it's used by a lot of the big names, Shalene, Brandon, Amy Porterfield. I mean, like it goes on and on and on. It is very, very popular, and it's popular for a reason. Back in the day, I tried to nickel and dime my way through my business and save money by using other products, specifically Teachable, which I actually like the platform and the format of Teachable. But what I didn't like was their e-commerce. They didn't have any way to offer free courses. There was just a lot of pieces that were missing that made it difficult to run a business. And especially if you wanted to use your Teachable to charge. What I like about Kajabi is that they allow you to include both, you can use Stripe and you can also use PayPal, and you can do recurring payments on that. So if you have a membership site, or if you want to do like a 12 payment for your course, it's built into Kajabi. It is super simple and it is super easy to do. Now let me show you one of the downsides that I have with Kajabi. The theme, oh good gracious, the theme is not my favorite. It's very basic. Now, if that doesn't matter to you, more power to you. For me, I'm a web designer in my past life, and so the limitations drive me crazy, but most normal people wouldn't have a problem with that at all. So let me go in here and show you the themes that Kajabi has to choose from. So let's see, pick a theme. This is your selection. It's limited, to say the least. They pretty much all look the same because they do what is called a layout preset. And what that means is they are pretty much exactly the same. You just pick one and build on it. Okay. You can also, I mean, they do have these legacy themes, which are different, but you can go down and use one of those too. So, I mean, it's not terrible. They're not ugly. They're just the limitations with the design. They are limited, and that's annoying to somebody like me. Well, let me show you what you can do on here. So this is what the back end of the website looks like. Now, on the positive, Kajabi literally has everything that you need all in one. It's your email, it's your payment processor, it's your website, it's your membership site or course site all in one. So even though the price may seem like it's a lot, right now it's priced at $129 a month. It seems like a lot, but when you start adding up how much you're paying for processing of your payments, what you're paying for your email provider, what you're paying for your WordPress and your website. And the fact that you can get everything in one and it's super simple to use and work with, that alone is gold to me. Now, it's very, very simple to add things in the back of Kajabi. All you do, your page is set up and laid out like so. All of the things that you see here are over here, these widgets. So they're super simple. So you just move them around like so and hit save. And what it does is it moves it all around easy and quickly. So now you can see that it is moved around. It's super easy. I like this right here, this feature that they have where you can list different elements. Anyway, like you just pick it up and drop it wherever it is that you want it to go. If I want to move it down here, say I want to put the hero thing up here and I want to move, say, the features right underneath it. It's that simple to move things around. Now, what if you want to add something new? This is something I get asked about a lot. What if I really want to add something custom, like some custom code or some other thing like that? It's so simple. All you do to add anything new is click on Add Section. It's got everything laid out for you. So you can add your recent blog posts. You can add a call to action, custom content. You can even put Facebook comments so people can comment directly on your page. Heroes, image galleries. You can put a list of links, a list of logos. So like if you've been featured in different magazines or such, you can include them there. You can even include a list of all the offers you have or your pricing. Here, I'll show you how easy it is. Click add. And boom, you have a very, very simple yet professional looking pricing feature. And to edit it, it's so easy. You just click on edit in the different areas. So I'm going to click on standard. So we can change this to main. And you want to change a price, you would just change it in here. And yeah, that's it. And to change, you would just type it in to change it, hit save. It's super simple. You can type in the URL that you want it to go to. So to order it, go here. It would take you to the sales page or the checkout page. It's so easy. That is the one thing that I really love about Kajabi is the simplicity of it. It is so easy. Now here is something, the custom content. So I like to be able to add different things to my pages, like custom code. And this allows you to do it right here. You would just paste your code in here and you can add things like your Facebook Messenger or anything different that you want to add that you need to put code on your page. So yeah, it is totally possible to be able to do that. And then to delete it, super simple. Just hit delete. I mean, it's easy. I'm telling you, I love the simplicity. I just wish I could do more with the design. That's my downside. Now, the other really awesome thing about Kajabi is that they have built-in landing pages. So it's very simple. You just click new page and it has all of these great templates. These ones are okay to choose from to make a simple landing page. They have a blog built in, which is awesome. Let's see. This one's not published. It's very easy to use, very simple. Yeah, it's very simple. The other awesome thing, they have analytics built in. And so it's very, very simple to look at. Products are built in. This is our old one. Your list of leads. You can do these things called assessments, which are really cool. Like if you want to test and see what your students have learned, and then it will send them. Anyway, it's really cool. Here's another awesome thing. Okay. Affiliate. So you need to upgrade your account, but you have an affiliate marketing system built in. Let's look at the marketing. This is wicked awesome. Okay. you can build what's called a pipeline. So let me show you what a pipeline is. Have you heard of a sales funnel before? This basically is this built-in sales funnel that you can use. So you can build a sales funnel for a Zoom webinar. Let's do that one. So this pipeline gives you a registration page, confirmation page, 4 emails, an event is added, 5 more emails, your sales page, and your checkout. So let's just go in and look at this with creating a pipeline. And now you can see it is all set up. We have our registration page for the webinar, the actual webinar page, along with the emails that are going to go out. It's all set up in here. Your confirmation page and your sales page and your offer and checkout page. So let me click on here and show you what it looks like. This again is set up pretty the way the website is. It's these ad section things, simple to add, simple to move around. You just click on here and you just type in what it is. Choose your date format. You can even do like a countdown timer at the end of the countdown. Where do you want it to go? Like it's all, you can change the background image. There's so many things that you can do. I've got to tell you, like the ease of using Kajabi is what makes it amazing. Oops. Let's see. Save. Now let's go back over here. Let me show you the emails because I haven't shown you this feature yet. So it's got your emails set up to go out at the time of registration, 2 days before the event, the day before the event, 15 minutes before the event. Like everything is easy. The closing, 48-hour warning before your offer closes. All of your emails are done for you. Like that alone is worth the price of Kajabi with the click of a button. So let me show you what the email look like and how easy it is to take care of them. So you're going to click on the email and here it is. Inside of here, you just type everything. This is some code so that it shows everything that you've entered. Their first name is automatically added. You can change, whatever you want. You can type whatever you want and add it in here. Super easy. And and change, whatever it is that you want to say on here. And it's easy. So let's see. This is the downside though. It's so ugly. I'm sorry. It's very boring. But actually, technically, the boring emails that are mostly just text make it through the emails, your email provider faster, and they get received by your recipients and they don't bounce. So actually it's better. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, this is it. You can upload and add your own images and things in here very easily. You can add files if you want to upload like a workbook or something to go with your webinar. It's super fun, super easy. So you can go through and change them all. You have all of your emails pre-written, so just update it with whatever it is that you want to say. Very easy. And it's done for you with the click of a button. That I friggin' love. The ease of it is just amazing. So you can customize all of this. You can come in here, change out the image. Let's just pick one of the recent ones. Let's see, here we go. Easy to do. Just a click of a button and it changes everything for you. Save. You can change the background very easily too, just by clicking here, like background color, then hit save. And you can see each section has its own set of rules. So we change the background over here. So if we want to change the blue, you just click on the blue section up here, change this background section, hit save. Simple, 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 simple. And then this section's still weird, so we'll change this to yet a third color. Hit save. I think it's still set on this one. There we go. So you just change the colors in there. You can change the height. You can delete the sections. It's very easy. Very, very easy to use. You can always add things. So if you wanted to add, say, Facebook comments or a video or a list of features or all of those things that we looked at on the homepage, you can add here too. Very, very cool. Now you also have your built-in sales pages, which are nice. Everything's laid out for you. You just add your call to actions, benefits, like customize it as you will in here. It's easy. And then last and not least, we have our checkout page. Oh, yes, this one I haven't. They've added a new one. I'll show you what a checkout page looks like. They've updated some features in there. So let's turn on the new design. Hit save so it makes it pretty. Yeah, and everything is just laid out here, built in. You can add testimonials to it. You can change your offer details, change the banners. Yeah, it's just this. I'm going to tell you, it's very nice. Oh, yes. Plus, you can click up here and click the stats on the page of like how many people have clicked here, how many people have bought, yada, yada, yada. So very, very easy to use. And you can have, I'm not sure what the number is. I think there's a limit to how many pipelines you can have, but I haven't reached it yet, so I don't see it as a problem. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can send out your own email campaigns. So say you can use Kajabi for your emails. So you can send out a broadcast, you can send out a sequence. So like say if somebody joins your email list for the first time and you want to send out a nurture sequence, a sequence of emails, you can do it right here. Or if you want to just send a single email to your entire list, it's as easy as can be. Just click right there. Here's all the sequences that we have set up already. It's very, very intuitive. Now, for me personally, I don't like the email. I don't use it because I've gotten used to using ConvertKit, and I love ConvertKit. And I have all of my automations and sequences and everything set up in there. And there's so many of them that I don't want to move it over to Kajabi. And so I've left everything inside of ConvertKit. But if you're just starting out, or if you don't really mind moving things over, or say you've been paying for one and you want to just mesh everything into one, I know lots of people who have just moved everything full on Kajabi and they love it. It's working great for them. Now you can also set up forms in here. So you can, like a landing page, collect the forms. What else can I show you? Products. Everything is, you can create a new product. And now what these are, you can do a mini course, an online course, membership, evergreen training where the content's stripped over weeks. You can create a community. So it's like a Facebook group, but not on Facebook, or like a 12-week coaching program. Let's do the coaching program. And I'll show you what's inside, how easy it is to create the membership site or the coaching set, anything that you need to set up. It's right here. So this is what it looks like in the back end. So what it's going to do is it's going to send out each of these different lessons and coaching sessions. They'll go out week 1. So when people sign up for your coaching program, they would get this. Then 7 days later, they would get access to week 2. 14 days later, they get access to week 3, and so on and so on and so on. So it automatically drips it out to them. And so you don't even have to worry about it. All you need to do is put your content in here and just let it go. Let me show you what it looks like on preview mode. I probably should have put something in here, but so this is what it looks like. This is what your students are going to see. And so then they can just click on here, and then you'd have your content in here. They can comment, they can complete the lesson, mark it as done. You're welcome. Really easy. Really, really easy. So let me show you how simple it is to add stuff inside of here. So choose what you want to do. Do you want to add a video or do you want to add an assessment? Here's the body. And so you would just type whatever it is that you want to have in here. You can choose whether your comments are shown or hidden, which I like. You can also add your downloads. So if you have PDFs you want to include with each lesson, It's right here, super easy. And you can also do automations. Let me show you what those are. So say when the post is completed, whenever they complete this and they mark it off as complete, then you can grant them another offer. So maybe you want to grant them access to a mini course or something, or a bonus when they finish this up. You can put them in an email sequence. You can register them to an event. You can send an email. So you can send, say you want to give them some kind of a reward for finishing this. You would send out an email as soon as they complete it. An email would go out from you saying, congratulations, you finished this. I'm so proud of you. You know, give them encouragement. You could even give them like a free download or something like that. Anyway, it makes it so simple and it will automatically be taken care of. Kajabi has it going on. I'm telling you, with the ease, it's got it going on. Oops. So I personally, I've gone back and forth between different software, and I have decided that I am just going to go all in with Kajabi, aside from the email, because, you know, things that I showed you before. But I am really liking it. I'm not going to lie. I like the simplicity. I wish I could do more with it, not going to lie, but overall, I think if you are looking for something that is quick, that's easy to use, that functions, that works, that has great customer service. Now, I've had to use customer service before when I needed help getting things set up, like my domain name. It was a little tricky to set up the domain inside of Kajabi. That I'm going to tell you that was, and I'm a web designer, and I found it to be hard. But their help, super easy. Like I click on it now, but they're available 24 hours. It's awesome. They're always there. You just click on this right here, this help. It pops up. You type in what's wrong. They look at your website and they help you with it. They get it fixed. No problem. It's the help and the support from Kajabi has been amazing. So if you're looking for great support, easy to use, something that's solid, that has no downtime, that's just up and working without a lot of flaws, this is going to be the one for you. That's a reason that a lot of people like Kajabi. So I think that is it for now. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments for me, and I will do my best to come back and answer them. So that's it. That is the insider scoop on Kajabi and what I like and what I don't like about it. I hope that it's been able to help you make a decision about whether or not Kajabi is right for you and for your business. Now, if you decide you want to go ahead and get a trial of Kajabi, I have a link down below. It's an affiliate link, which means I do get a little bit of a commission, which helps to pay for all of the software, tools, courses that we buy and review, which would be really wonderful if you were able to help us out by clicking on that link and joining through our affiliate to help pay for our channel and the things that we like to do for you. That's it. That is another review. I will see you next week. You have a wonderful day.